MOSFET stands for Metal-Oxide-Semiconductor Field Effect Transistor. It is an active electrical component, with three legs, based on P-type and N-type semiconductors. The three contacts are called drain, source and gate. The physical current flows from source to drain, and is manipulated by the voltage applied between the gate and the source. From here follows the application, as an electronic switch. MOSFETs are designed for fast switching and should never be switched on, or off slowly, to avoid destruction. There are four different types of MOSFETs. First, we differentiate between depletion MOSFETs and enhancement MOSFETs. Depletion MOSFETs have enough free charges to conduct, when no gate voltage is applied. So they are self-conducting. When a gate voltage is applied, they get less conducting. It is called depletion MOSFET, because by applying a gate voltage a depletion region is created, which keeps current from flowing. The other type is the enhancement MOSFET. The name comes from the fact that it has a depletion region, which needs to be enhanced with free charges in order to conduct. This one is self-locking, and used in most applications. Each type has a designated graphical symbol. These graphical symbols are the ones for N-channel MOSFETs. But you can also swap the N-type parts and the P-type parts of the MOSFET. Then you get a P-channel MOSFET, which is working in the same way. It just needs a gate voltage of opposite polarity. If you want to learn more, visit embedded-academy.com.